Hey guys, I'm Rob from Mother's Choice, your car seat expert today, here to introduce to you the Adore AP, our brand new convertible car seat. It's suitable from newborn up to 30 months approximately in rearward facing, and it's suitable from 12 months to 4 years of age approximately in forward facing. It features a single-handed in-car adjustment in the headrest, and with our shutter height markers on the side and in the middle of the seat, it makes it really easy to identify at what stage your child belongs to. It features our Air Protect superior head protection technology in the headrest, so it's extremely safe. It has 3 points of recline in forward facing, making it extremely comfortable. And with ISOFIX, it makes it extremely easy to install. With 6 years warranty on the hardware and 2 years warranty on the trim, it's an extremely valuable seat. It's available at all good specialty stores, so I really encourage you to check it out at your nearest one today.